So good morning, everyone. I'm Cindy from the Yoga Shack. I'm sure you already know that already, though. And happy to be here. This is like going on week 3 of our daily meditations. So lots of exciting energy, we'll just say. And it's really interesting how just one day changed a lot of moods and a lot of shifts. So yeah, it just feels promising, and doesn't matter your belief system. It's I think it's just this universal shift. So just notice within yourself if there are any shifts, any beliefs, anything you're holding on to or attached to still that might be weighing you down, and observe if it's something you can free and let go of. You always have the power to change your thoughts, to change your mindset, and that's why we meditate. We meditate so that we learn how to take, or we learn what to do when we have these like flooded thoughts and things that aren't serving us, and we learn not to react to them, but just to observe them. Sometimes I have to remind myself I am not my thoughts. The thoughts come in and I have to literally say out loud sometimes, Cindy, you're not your thoughts, not your thoughts. And sometimes I have to just keep saying it, and I look a little creepy, but we learn how to just sit with things so that we can see what we're actually carrying around in this very complicated thing on our shoulders. All right, so we're gonna get started. So nice to have all of you here. All right, so sit up nice and tall. Hey Trisha, take a deep breath in, fill up, and then open the mouth and breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in and open the mouth and breathe out. And one more time. Deep breath in. And a big breath out. And then sit up as tall as you can, even if you're sitting in a chair or sitting up against a wall. See if you can lengthen your spine. Can you relax the shoulders back and down? Let the tongue fall from the roof of the mouth. And let the lips part just slightly. Notice the eyelids if they're feeling heavy. Can you let them relax a little more? Observe the shoulders, the neck. You might be carrying around a little tension in the shoulders without even realizing it. So as you move your attention to this area, can you feel yourself letting go? Maybe it's something very small, like it's this small little movement of your shoulders relaxing. Just notice it. And then observe your chest, the front of your chest, the back of your chest. And then observe the belly, the front of the belly, the back. And notice if you can bring awareness to that area, softening and just simply letting go. We hold a lot of emotional energy, tension in our stomach, in this lower area, like below your belly button. And then observe your hips, your lower back, observe your pelvis, and then just notice your legs, starting from the top of your legs all the way down to your ankles. And as you bring awareness to each space of your leg, just check in, feel it. Feel the pulse of your heart. Feel that life force. And then into your ankles. And your feet and toes. And then bring your attention to the crown of your head. And just put all of your attention right to the top. And just for a moment, visualize this. I like to call it a waterfall of white light, like beautiful white light. Just rising up out of that crown, the space right at the top of your head, all the way down the sides of your body, all the way around the feet. And then magically working its way up the center of your body, right through the crown of your head again. Again, observing this white light up through the crown of your head, down the sides of your body, and back up through the center of your body to the top. And any time in life, maybe throughout your day, you feel your energy is compromised, you feel unsafe for whatever reason, just visualize this white light surrounding you, blocking you from others' energies. And just continuously see this white light as a shield. knowing that it's there for you whenever you need it. And then bring your hands together at your heart center. And bow your chin towards your throat. And just take this moment of gratitude for showing up, for carving out this time. I thank all of you so much for joining me. It is always my honor to guide you. May we be healthy, may we be happy, and together may we all find peace. Namaste. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining Facebook and Instagram. Hey Michelle. Hey Butch. That's a new name. I haven't seen you join us, at least for mine. So nice to have you guys. Go ahead and put a comment in that you watched. And we'll see you tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Thanks, Jazz. If you guys have any questions, please reach out. We will not be having these on the weekend, but we will be doing it Monday through Friday. All right? Okay. Peace out.